It's a pattern?
Yes.
Okay.
Stand on one foot and stand around. That's my pattern.
That's your pattern?
Yes. It is a pattern. He's teaching me. No, I know.
Xander taught you the pattern, Skylar?
I'm going to stand on one foot and spin around. 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 That's the right pattern. Yeah, it is.
Hey, Xander, give me a high five. That's a good pattern.
Yeah, but I do it good too.
Give me a high five. Nice pattern. Nice pattern.